Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, I am always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. If you have anything specific you are looking for or specific education or experience, you are always welcome to leave that in the comments. I do read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But without further ado, today's job lead is from the company IDEX, and they are a veterinary company looking for a medical transcriptionist. Now, it does say this is a remote work from home opportunity. They're looking for someone who has extensive medical terminology and transcription experience to assist with data entry and listen to edited pre-dictated medical pathology reports through PowerScribe. They are looking specifically for someone to work the day shift, Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, rotating weekends every other weekend. So they really just want you to listen to the calls and type what you hear. So it is a complete non-phone typing job. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma and at least 1 year of relevant transcription experience required. Some of these jobs like this, when they come up, they do require a year or so of transcription experience. I made a video not that long ago about 23 transcription jobs that hire beginners. I will leave that linked at the very end of this video. A lot of those hire with no experience required. So if you are looking to get into something like this, a typing job, and you don't have the experience, you might want to start out by working one of those companies and get that experience, and then you can move on to companies like this that pay a full-time wage for transcription work. Now, they do require you to be able to type at least 65 words per minute, and knowledge of medical terminology is a plus, but not required. They do, however, want somebody who can multitask and work independently. I did just want to quickly note, if you are interested in applying for this job, if you have any issues, when you come to the job description page, there's a little pop-up box in this corner that says, "Are you interested in this job?" You can click "Yes, I'm interested," or "Ask a question." So they have live chat people that you can ask questions about the job to. It does not state the salary or pay for this job. I don't know if that's something that they could answer in the little chat box, or you would have to ask that at the time of the interview. Now, I am going to leave this company's Glassdoor page linked down below in the description box also, in case you want to read reviews of current employees. They do have quite a few good reviews from employees who work there. They have an overall 3.7 out of 5 stars on their Glassdoor page. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.